Learn how to send different file type as attachment on Gmail Mobile for iPhone. Let's just get right into it. Alright, this is how to send attachment through email to someone on Gmail. Alright, first tap on your Gmail mobile app for it to open. As the mobile app opens, you will be landed on your inbox, which will look like this. The next step you need to take is to tap on this compose button, which is at the bottom right. On tapping compose in the to section, type the email address you want to send that attachment to. Once you finish typing the email address, it will show up under. Alright, so tap on it. On tapping on it, it will be fully added. Alright, so you can see subject section, tap on that subject. Then give it a name. Okay, in this case, the guy requested for a picture, so I will say the requested picture. Alright, this is under it is compose email. You can tap there and just say a few things. And here, the few things I said here is the email is attached here. The next step is to tap on the attach icon, which is like spring at the top part of this email. Okay, then you're provided with some options: photos, camera, files, and drive. When you tap on photos, you'll be taken to the photos app of your iPhone to pick a photo. Alright, if you tap on camera, it will activate the camera of your iPhone for you to snap. Alright, maybe something or yourself. Okay, then files allows you to access a file or files in the files app of your iPhone. Pick one file from there or two and send to the person. In this case, let's go with photos. So tap on photos, which will automatically opens the photos app of your iPhone. Then scroll to the picture or the video you want to send and then tap on it. Alright, I have scrolled to this part, okay, of my photos app, which open automatically. So let me go with this my picture here. So I will tap on it for it to be added. So on tapping on the picture, it is selected and it is named one. So maybe if you want to add more than one, okay, you can tap another one for it to be selected as two. So after that, tap on the tick icon, which is at the top right. Now these two files are added in this Gmail that I want to send to this person. The next step is to tap on the send button, which is that arrow that points towards the right. And this is sent to the person. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot of technology. So subscribe to learn more on this area of interest. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have question and hit the like button. You can check out this video here to learn more on Gmail. Thank you and see you some other time.